Hi guys, and welcome back to Motor Joshing. So, it's time for an update. So yes, we're out for a blast. You know, probably the main first one of the year. First time the Kawasaki has been out since the depths of winter. And we're out for a blast. And yes, I know I said the MotoVlog is dead, and I still actually truly believe that. But circumstances changed, and as such, stuff got delayed. So let's talk about that. So, brass tacks. The job I was doing 5 months into my probation, and they just said, yeah, it doesn't, even though obviously it had gone well, you know, all my reviews have been fine or whatever, for whatever reason, they just said, nah, the fit isn't good or whatever, and that's just the way it is, which, you know, politics for sure. But it is what it is, so I found myself unemployed. So just as I finished editing the kind of show video, which was the last video I put out, yeah, all this kind of kicked off. Unexpectedly, obviously. And, you know, we went a little spiral of self-doubt and self-pity, as you probably would if you lost your job. You know, through, as far as you can see, no fault of your own. And we had a bit of that, and then I thought, well, I don't want to start my new channel in a place of bad juju, should we say. You know, I didn't want it to be starting from a place of negativity, so I didn't really feel like making content at the time, and then I just thought, okay, fine, whatever. But the good news, of course, is thankfully I was actually only off work for a couple of weeks. Found another job in a company in Bridgend, so that's all spiffing. So panic over crisis averted, self-worth retained, and we're in a better, happier place now, and we can get back to the original plan. So obviously we got our bike show now in 2 weeks' time. As of when I'm saying this now, by the time this goes out on Wednesday, it'll be, of course, like a week and a half to go to the show in Cardiff. Again, if you're local, pop in, you know, have a natter. So that's the so that's obviously the next priority at the moment. And then once the show's out of the way, then we'll get back to my original plan of doing stuff on another channel and still doing bike stuff here. As you can see, first ride out, you are on board. So no dramas there. There's definitely still bike content to come. So doth not worry. And things are going. There's a fire engine coming behind us now, so I'm not sure if we're going to pull over how many cars it's been. As soon as we get on the dual carriageway, we'll be miles ahead of it, so we shall see. Had a bit of a dip, bit of a thing. I'm not going to name the company. Those who know me personally will already know the name of the company. They're a big company, and I'm not going to go into the experience or whatever, but it wasn't a pleasurable experience, let's put it that way, and we shall leave it at that. Yeah, you know, lessons learned, fingers burned, all that shenanigans. The other good news still is the Spanish holiday is still very much on, and all you know, attention and effort is going in to that Spanish holiday, and the CX is behaving itself, so as long as that continues, shouldn't really have any dramas. Chat here. dramas, and yeah, so apart from that, everything is good. That is essentially caught up. We are still a 2-bike you know, family. It's all going strong. Pumbaa passed its MOT yesterday, so everything in my world is now tickety-boo. So hopefully the creativity shall now flow again, and we shall all move on with our day and just chalk it up to a bad experience. Anyway, I might do a bit of a montagey thing with some of the footage from here, but I'm not going to natter anymore. Hopefully just a quick update, and everything is right again in the world. So I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Ta-ta, bye.